Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make a cornmeal cake. These are the ingredients you will need. First, I am going to add 1 cup of cornmeal. Then I will add 1 tin of condensed milk. Then add 1½ cup of coconut milk. Then mix it all together. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And mix one more time. Then add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of allspice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Then mix together and add 3/4 cup of raisins. And give it a final mix. Then we are going to butter our baking tin and then add 1 tablespoon of cornmeal to coat the baking tin. Then pour in your butter and bake for 50 minutes to an hour. You can enjoy it with a cup of coffee and tea or ice cream or with whatever you like. Quick and easy recipe. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.